I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 3 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And our prompts for this week is cookies, and I've got these cookie stickers and the Santa. A friend of mine gave me a bunch of stickers and die cuts and stuff a while back, and I believe these were part of them, so I'm gonna get to use them. And the second prompt is peace, and I'm going to use this card, and I think I'm going to cut the card and use this as a cover it with paper to use for a journaling card on this side. That way I use the whole card. I've got a lot of cards that kind of look like these, and I love them. I think they're so cute, and that just screams peace to me. So I've also got some of my words, and I've got cookies, and I've got peace. So I'll use those on there and see what else I can do with this. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. She's so very talented. And be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3 to see what everyone else has made. Most of our stuff is going to be ephemera, Christmas ephemera, but you can make whatever you want if you want to participate. And you could do fall, you could do Halloween, whatever you want to do. Right now I'm doing Christmas, but I'll probably switch up to fall once that gets a little closer. So without further ado, let's get started. here they are, and I think they turned out cute. They're simple. And I am so far behind on everything. I've been doing the Junk Journal July, and that's why I'm so far behind. Plus, it didn't help that last Saturday I ended up with a huge headache. And that's when I get a lot of my stuff done. But what I have here, I've got my cookies, and I've got my Santa holding his glass of milk and his plate of cookies. I think it's so cute. And then on this one, I just simply embellished the border, added the little piece and the rose, and used some of my glossy accents. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 3. So until next time, bye y'all.